back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work-from-home job lead for you. This one is going to be just listening to audio files and typing the words that you hear them say. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This is going to be for those of you who want a job where you can work when you want to. It can be part-time or full-time. It's flexible in the schedule, so you can work around other full-time jobs. Use this as a little bit of a side hustle to make some extra money or work around kids and family obligations. The company is Escribers. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Escribers is a transcription service for court reporting for the legal community. They have a 3.8 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor, and they are hiring a legal transcriber. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. They do work with agencies in other countries, such as the UK and Ireland. So there is a link at the top of this page that says view all jobs if you are outside of the United States, if you want to see if they have any openings for your country. They are basically just recruiting legal transcribers to join their team. This position is ideal for candidates who want to create their own schedule, work from the comfort of their own home, but still be a part of a community and like-minded people. They are asking for people to commit to at least 20 hours per week, so at least that part-time schedule, but of course you can commit to more and make this a full-time job. They also say medical transcribers, if you have any past medical transcription experience, are also encouraged to apply. But you don't actually have to have a past transcription experience. They're looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree or legal experience is required. They want somebody who can type at least 65 words per minute, use excellent grammar and punctuation skills, great listening skills, and great attention to detail. Now, I have not personally worked for this company before, but I have worked for a company like this before, and the way the company that I worked for worked is I logged on, and there was like a chat feature or email feature that would directly connect me to someone, and I would request a job. They would send me an audio file, and I would type and transcribe that audio file, listening to the words that are spoken, and then typing those out. And then I would, when I finished my file, return my file to them, and then if I wanted to work some more, I would request another one, or if I was done for the day, I would just say that's it. And the files they gave me, the company I worked for, had a turnaround time, so it was like they gave you a file, and then you had to either return it in like 24 hours or 48 hours, so you didn't have to sit right there when you accepted the file and type the whole thing. So I could work for an hour or two and do half of it, and then go to dinner with my family, and then come back and do the other half. I don't know if this company is like that, but some of these transcription companies do that. They give you a file and a turnaround time to turn it in, and then you work on it and complete it as you can. Now, they don't provide any equipment for you. You're going to be required to have your own computer system. You do have to have Microsoft Word because that is the format in which you're going to type in and send it to them. And you have to have a high-speed internet connection. Obviously, you're working at home, and they suggest you have a USB foot pedal, and there's certain kinds they list. They say can be got online for $65 or less. I do personally have a foot pedal. I only paid about $35 for mine, but that was years ago. A foot pedal does make it easier, so when you're in the typing mode, you don't have to stop typing to hit like the pause button, the play button, the rewind button if you missed a word that was being said. A foot pedal, you can just stomp your foot and it stops it and starts it, the audio, and you can back it up. It does make typing go faster. Now, one thing to note is when you scroll down the application page to put your application in, there is going to be a link to a grammar quiz. You're going to have to take that grammar quiz and report your score. All right, let me know down below in the comments if you enjoy these types of job leads where they're just a work when you want to extra side money job leads. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.